Hello wonderful people, you're welcome to today's tutorial. In our last class we already did the cutting of this dress, so today we're going to be moving to the sewing. So the first thing I'm going to do is to work on the back pieces. So I'm going to measure my zipper, the length of my zipper. So I'm going to start my joining from there so that I can close it downward. Leave the space for the zipper, then you close it downward. And the slit, I'm going to measure the slit. So the slit now you can go with 10, 12, depending on your choice. So measure the slit and then you stop. Alright, now on the zipper space we're going to be placing our zipper and we're going to be fixing the zipper. So that is that about that. Now that has been done, the next thing to do is to work on the front piece. So here is the half length, the bustier area of the half length. I'm going to be placing the two sides one after the other, and we are going to be joining just like this. In case you missed the last class, which is the cutting of this tutorial, this dress, the two-in-one dress, kindly check out the tutorial on the cutting in my previous video. We already did the cutting in my last video. Now that we are done joining one side, I'll make sure I notch, especially the underbust. Make sure you notch the underbust area so that your fabric can relax. It will relax at the underbust area. So once you're done with that, you're going to take the measurement of the remaining excess on that side so that you know where to start joining. Kindly note that when joining a princess dart, one side you start joining one side of your princess dart from the base, and the other side is starting from the armhole area. So, and another thing is the fact that you might necessarily not have equal edges after you're joining. So that's why you need to start with the one from the base. So the remaining excess, you know what excess you have, and you don't have to worry about the excess. That's because we already had extra 2 inches to our folding while cutting. So after this has been done, you can easily trim out the excess. Next is to move on to the cape or collar, as it were. So we're going to be joining the edges, just the edges of our cape first. Then we're going to turn it and iron it out just like this. So you're going to work on the first and of course the second. After that has been done, on your main piece, that's the princess bustier, make sure you notch the center point. Notch the center point, then you place your collar or your cape, place your cape on it starting from the center. Then we're going to be joining it, so we'll attach it to the main top just like this. So we are doing this because the dress I'm working on has no lining. The inner is detached, more like you just put it on, then you put on your dress. So after that has been done, you're also going to join the base, and to do that, get the center point both on the half length and the skirt of the dress, so that you can bring the notched part, which is the center, you can bring it together, and then you join both the half length and the base together. So here it is, the front and also the back. The next thing to do is to join the shoulder. So that after joining the shoulder, we can easily bring out the shape. Now you can see me trimming out the excess on the front part of my dress. That's because we already had it, so I did not have any issue with that. Then you move on with joining the sides, and here is my sleeve. I already made my sleeve, so this sleeve, I made a tutorial on the sleeve, so in case you miss it, you can check a trumpet sleeve. So I already joined my dress and I attached my sleeve. The next thing is to pipe the neckline. So what you need to do is cut out a piece of fabric, just a strip, and then I started my sewing from the outside. Then I'm going to top stitch and then I'll turn it inside. So I'm top stitching on the strip of fabric very close to the edge of the first sewing, just like this. So after that is done, I'll come back to fold it in just like this, and I guess that will be the end of our tutorial. So in case you have questions, you can leave it in the comment section, and if you miss anything out, you can replay the video to get a better understanding. I remain Simeon Grace. I'll see you in my next class. Bye.